Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Monica. In this video, I'd like to share with you a budget-friendly, easy and delicious tofu soup, which is ready in just less than 2.5 minutes. Grab a small part of soft tofu, dice it into bite size, and then place it into a soup ceramic bowl. Add some celery or onion leaves, half tablespoon of tasty shiitake mushrooms. Please go back to my previous video if you are interested to know how I made it, as ready-use versatile ingredients which is ready anytime. For slightly umami flavor, you can add a quarter teaspoon mushrooms or vegetables stock powder, or a teaspoon of soya sauce, sprinkle of pepper powder, pinch of salt, and 150 milliliter of warm or hot water. Then bring it to boil in microwave for a minute. Serve it by adding few drops of roasted sesame oil. What a tofu soup! It tastes umami, smells appetizing, and the tofu just melted in my mouth. That chewy and meaty mushrooms truly satisfied. A perfect warm soup if you need to warm yourself instantly in a cold day. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!